In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the NerdWallet app on your Android device for smarter money management. Let's dive in and make sure you get everything set up smoothly so you can start taking control of your finances right away. To begin, you'll need to have your Android device ready. Once you have it in hand, open the Google Play Store. This is your gateway to downloading apps, so finding your way around it is crucial for accessing new tools and services like NerdWallet. Next, find the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually pretty prominent right at the top, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Type in NerdWallet or, if you prefer, NerdWallet Smart Money app. Don't worry if the text auto-completes or offers suggestions. Just make sure you select the correct phrase and proceed. Now pay close attention to the search results. You're looking for the app published by NerdWallet Inc. It's essential to choose the right publisher to ensure you're downloading a legitimate version of the app. Once you've identified the correct app, go ahead and tap Install. This will download the app to your device, and it may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. When the installation process is complete, you'll want to open the app. Get ready for a bit of setup here. Once opened, the app will guide you through either logging in to your existing NerdWallet account or setting up a new one if you're a new user. Make sure to have your account details handy if you're logging in, or your personal information ready to create a new account. After you've logged in or signed up, the app may request a few permissions. This can include notifications, which allow the app to alert you about important financial updates or insights. Granting these permissions will help you get the most out of the app, so read them carefully and tap Allow where you see fit. The next step after setting up your account is truly where the fun begins. Start linking your financial accounts. This part is crucial because it allows NerdWallet to give you an ongoing view of your financial situation. By linking your accounts, you can track your net worth, view insightful information tailored to your financial goals, and make more informed decisions about managing your money. And there you have it. You are now set up and ready to explore the powerful features of NerdWallet. Remember, the more accounts you link and the more frequently you check in with the app, the more useful the insights it provides will be. Happy budgeting and enjoy your journey to smarter money management.